In this video, we are going to see about human digestive system. First of all, we will see different parts of digestive system. This is mouth. Here, this is tongue. Saliva, secreted by salivary gland. This is esophagus or food pipe. This is our stomach. Here, this is liver. This is gallbladder. This is bile duct. This is this is pancreas, which lies beneath the stomach and parallel to it. Now this is small intestine, large intestine, this is rectum, and finally anus. Here this is appendix. Now we will see how food. First of all, food enters our mouth. Here food is chewed and properly mixed with saliva. Saliva is secreted by this salivary gland. It contains enzyme called salivary amylase, which digests starch partially here because food remains for a very short duration here. Now this is passed through esophagus. Food is pushed down through esophagus to stomach, and there is a special type movement called peristaltic movement, consecutive swallowing of this food pipe. This movement is called peristaltic movement, and food reaches our stomach. Here in the walls of the stomach, it contains three tubular glands called gastric gland. It secretes three substances: one HCl, mucus, and pepsin. Let us see the function of these three one by one. HCl, it kills harmful bacteria which enters with food here. Secondly, HCl makes the medium acidic so that pepsin can digest protein properly. And mucus plays a very important role in protecting the wall of the stomach from this this acid. It is a very strong acid, hydrochloric acid. It may damage the wall of the stomach. So mucus help in protecting the wall of the stomach. After that, food enters small intestine. Here in small intestine, digestion of food takes place, and complete digestion of food takes place in small intestine. Digestion of food is helped by other glands like liver. This liver secretes bile juice. Bile juice is temporarily stored in this gallbladder, and then it passes to small intestine through this bile duct. This bile juice emulsifies or breaks down fat molecules, and other function of bile juice is to make the medium basic or alkaline, we may say. Here this is another gland called pancreas. It secretes pancreatic juice which contains trypsin, amylase, and lipase. Here trypsin, amylase, and lipase. Trypsin helps in the digestion of protein. Amylase helps in digestion of starch, and this lipase helps in breaking down or digesting of fats. Apart from this, small intestine contains its own digestive enzyme, secretes its own digestive enzyme, which finally digests carbohydrate into cellulose, not cellulose, glucose. Proteins into amino acids. and fats into fatty acids and glycerol. In this way, digestion of food we may say complete digestion of food takes place in small intestine. Along this, absorption of food also takes place in this small intestine. With the help of special type of projection inside it, means in small intestine we will see millions of this like finger like projection in the small intestine, which helps in the absorption of digested food, and the absorbed digested food is given to blood vessels, from where they are carried to different parts of the body, or we can say different cell of the body where oxidation or respiration takes place. Now, digestion of food has been completed here. Also, absorption of digested food also has taken place here. Now, the undigested food along with water passes into this large intestine. In large intestine, most of the water is absorbed with the help of villi here. The undigested food is temporarily stored here in rectum for some time and finally removed out of the body through anus. In this way, we have seen this digestive system where digestion of food takes place, absorption of food takes place, and digestion of food is helped with the other glands also, such as salivary gland, liver, this pancreas, we have gastric gland in stomach also. In this way, digestion of food takes place in human body.